This is the Bissell Little Green Max Pet, and it comes with pet soap, instruction manual, animal hairbrush, and the attachment. And the hose is long. Look at that long 5-foot hose, I believe. And what you do is take this out, you lift it. Oh, there. Decent size. There's a cap in there. Not bad. Close it. And then the other side. I believe this is the fill, and this is the water that comes out. Actually, no. I think this is the fill because this says max. It comes with a thin instruction manual. I'm going to be running some tests on this, and I will get back to you. This is the Little Bissell Green Pro Pet, Max Pet, whatever you call it. And as you can see, it comes with a cord, a hose, very 5-foot hose, I believe. Let me see. Look at that tall. That's tall shit. All right, see these nasty stains? What you do is you turn it on, you squeeze this, and it sprays, and you just suck it up like that. All right. Push it down. Yeah. Not yet, not bad. But you kind of see how, how it is, right? It's very, it will leak underneath here. Here's the end result. That is all dirty water. So this, so nasty. So this works perfect. And this is the stuff they give you. Spot and stain urine eliminator. You have to put it. Looks not that looks that's nasty. So I do approve of this. I will be doing more tests.